Is cardio really necessary to lose fat and get six-pack abs? In this video I will give you a couple of pros and cons of cardio. So why should you or should you not do cardio? Let's start with a couple of reasons why you should not be doing cardio. The first one is bad weather conditions. So it can be rainy outside, snowy, or it can be very cold. It's not that cold. The second reason why you shouldn't do too much cardio is because it burns a lot of calories, and this can be good or bad. It depends on what your goals are. If you want to gain muscle mass, then doing a lot of cardio will burn the energy that is needed to gain muscle mass. So when trying to gain muscle mass, do not do a lot of cardio. And finally, it is boring, exhausting and time consuming. At least that's my opinion. So that kind of sums it up for cardio if you ask me. Then there are some good things about cardio. The first one being that it helps to improve your heart and blood vessels, or the condition of it. And I'm not really going to explain you exactly how this works because it's kind of boring and you can simply Google it. There are many kinds of cardio exercises that you can do, so simply find the one that suits you. The final good reason for you to do cardio is simply because it does burn a lot of calories. Now, if you're trying to lose weight, this is helpful, and especially because cardio burns a lot of calories in only a fairly short amount of time. So in 30 to 60 minutes you can get quite some calories burned if you're doing swimming or running, rope skipping, whatever. So those are just a couple of pros and cons of cardio. Personally, I don't like to do cardio, so I don't do it. And I think it's up to you whether or not you're going to do cardiovascular exercises yourself. However, if you're trying to lose weight or get six-pack abs, then it isn't really necessary to do cardio, just so you know it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.